So today we will be demonstrating Newton's third law. This law states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. This demonstration only requires a yoga ball and another object. We will be dropping the object onto the yoga ball to observe this law in action.
As you can see here, when we drop the object onto the yoga ball, the object bounces back up. When the object is dropped, gravity is the only force acting upon it, and it accelerates at 9.8 meters per second squared. As the object hits the yoga ball, it applies a force onto the yoga ball. Because of this force, we can see the yoga ball squishes in the direction of the force.
As the yoga ball concaves, it applies a force back onto the object which accelerates the object. This is the reactionary force. This force is both equal and opposite to the force applied on the yoga ball. Eventually, as the yoga ball accelerates the object upwards against its original force, we can see that the object begins to travel upwards.
Another example of this law in action would be when we hit the ball from the side. You can see that as the object hits the ball moves. You may also notice that the object stops moving in the horizontal direction and falls straight down.
This is entirely because of Newton's third law. As the object hits the yoga ball, it puts a force onto the ball. For example, let's say 10 newtons. When the ball is acted upon by the object, the ball puts an equal and opposite force back into the object, the same 10 newtons, but in the opposite direction.
The object putting 10 newtons on the ball makes the ball move horizontally. The ball putting a force back onto the object is what causes it to stop. The motion that the object has is cancelled out by the reactionary force given by the yoga ball, because the ball puts a force exactly equal and opposite to the force given by the object.
Eventually, as the yoga ball accelerates the object upwards against it,
As you can see here, when we drop